Hey guys, you guys had asked me to do like a desk tour, so here I am. I'm gonna make that video. And by the way, my name is Jada and my business is Jada's Jewelry, and I have my Etsy in the description. So yeah, let's just get to it. I am gonna be doing some cleaning today, so I'm gonna throw it in this video too because I need to clean, so I'm gonna put it in this video. And I think I'm gonna move my desk so that when I go live again, I can get that natural light, or I gotta see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna still have to get that light. I don't know when, but we'll see. Let's just get to it. Oh, before I forget, yeah, this is my face. I don't really show it when I'm going live because I don't have any problems with YouTube. I'm trying to play it safe, I guess. I might eventually, but right now I'm gonna wait. Oh yeah, some of you guys wanted to see my room, how it looks, so I'll put it in this video. If you come in my room, this is gonna be the door, and then I have my dresser. I gotta get some of this stuff up. I got some speakers because I be singing and stuff, and I have other platforms I'm on where I sing gospel songs and stuff. And sometimes I just like having these speakers, and then there's like the microphone in there. But this is my dresser. This is actually pretty new. I need to clean this actually. But then I actually put my clothes in here in this side, but on this side I decided to do like that because since I have two dressers, I haven't used this dresser before, but at my old house before I moved to Florida, my mom wanted just to give me this one, so it's been sitting, but it wasn't really mine, so my mom just gave it to me. So yeah, so this is what I have this one and I have this one. But before I go on that side, I just got some bubble wrap. I probably use this. I gotta see what I'm gonna do now, because I was gonna use it for my earrings, and then I was gonna put it in like a box. I don't know if it's in here,
but it's probably in that other one. Yeah, in this box. I was gonna put like my earrings in here. I might still do that, or I might just use it as like a freebie. I might put my freebies in there.
If anybody has any ideas, let me know. Then I got like my business cards. I have another video on my channel telling you guys where my stuff is from, and so I'm not gonna get too much into it in this video, but yeah, you can check that video out. Then I have some, oh, I'm not even showing it. So these are my business cards. I didn't take them out all the way because, well, then I have it in something, so I just kept it how it kind of came in when I ordered it. And then these are like my stickers. I need to fix it. So I use these stickers. So when somebody orders, I use these stickers like to close it up, like at the end. I do want to get some other stickers where I maybe put it with your order, I don't know, or like decorate it. I think I'm gonna do that. And then I have, well, here I have this, like this. I'm gonna use that for decoration. I gotta figure out what to do. And then I have these bags. These bags. It's a mess right now. So like I said, I'm gonna include any cleaning. But yeah, this right here. These are my clear bags. I use this so when I have earring orders, if I get any earring orders, I put it in these little holes, and then I use this bag. So my camera needs to get charged, so I'm gonna move on to my phone. So yeah. Okay, I'm on my phone now. I'm gonna record the rest of the video on this phone because my camera needs to charge. But yeah, that's pretty much what's in here. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Then yeah, I have some more boxes, those little boxes. And then I have these. I use these. I don't know what it's called, but I use these to put my bracelets on, like when it's part of my packing. So this is like all the packing stuff. And then the second drawer, I took stuff out because I just did a video for my TikTok. So if you want to check it out, yeah, I just posted it. But I'll just put all my socials in the description. Yeah. Then these are like my stickers. So I'm just gonna use this to like seal up my little boxes. I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be part of my packing. So I should just put it up here in this one. But then I got some of this. I forgot what it's called, but I use this also. I guess I'll be adding this stuff like in the boxes or something. But I forgot what shredded paper, I believe, right? But yeah, use that. Then I have these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, but we'll see. I had ordered the wrong thing, so I'll probably use it for decoration. But then I also have some, what's these called? Lobster clasps. So I have that in here. So I'm just reusing some of this stuff. Some of the stuff I'm gonna have to get rid of. I have a receipt in here, so I'm gonna have to get rid of that. And then I have this in here, so I use that like for, I'll use that like for a necklace or a bracelet. Oh, that sounds crazy. And then, my hand. Okay, don't mind my hand right now. I just kind of hopped on the video. But, yeah, I got my label printer, the scale. So that's how I weigh my bracelets. This is where I print the shipping labels. I got a notebook and some pencils. I forgot that was in here. That's pretty much what's in those drawers. I took some stuff out, so it doesn't look the best right now, so I just did a video. But yeah, this is my bead spinner. I use that to make some of my clay bead bracelets. But yeah, I showed you guys where I kind of put my packing stuff and my other supplies I put in there. Now I'm going to move over here, and this is my desk. I want to get a bigger one because I feel like I don't have enough space, but I'm also thinking about maybe getting one of those pegboards because it's just kind of like this. I feel like for me, it's always kind of been like the space, having enough room when it comes to the room, if that made any sense. But yeah, this is my desk size. Then I got my chair. This is the chair I be sitting in when I'm making my bracelets. And then this is just like the cover, sort of. This is my grandma gave me this, so I just use it to like put it on there. And then I guess it's a throw on blanket, I guess you can say. I kind of use it as for, but yeah. Then it has like some words on it too, and it says my name, and then it has like a message on there. I'll probably put it on like that, but yeah. My grandma gave me this. So, or I like while I'm sitting here, or I use it as like just to, put it on me. And then, yeah, then I got this sign, so I might take it off. But then I have these display stands, and then there's another one I got. And then it's like my bracelet board. So some of the stuff I'm gonna have to take off. So I'm still kind of seeing how I'm gonna have my stuff. So when I'm done with my stuff, I'll take it off. Desk. So yeah, I definitely need to do some organizing too. But yeah, then I have these right here. I usually keep these actually in here, but like I said, I was making a video, so yeah. Then this slides out, and then I have some of these in here that's like little like this, so I put it like right here for some of them. Yeah, it's kind of like a mess a little bit. So I recently got, well, not too long ago, but that's what's new in here. I got something else new in here. Then I have these wire. This is what I'm gonna use to make my necklaces. I didn't get around to it yet because I'm trying to wait till I get some more orders. So yeah. So if you can, check out my Etsy, so we can get some new stuff in the shop. But yeah, then I got some scissors, and then these are my earring hooks. I had some eye pins in here, and these are my drum rings, so I keep it in here. And then I gotta take this out, but yeah, I have some rings in here. I kept my rings in here. So, and I have some tape. So if I need to tape anything up, yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my desk. Then this is like my ring light. I keep my computer right here. So if you join my vibes, I have my computer like on the side, like on this side. And then this is my my ring light. If you didn't know, this is the ring light I be using for my videos. Like I said, I need a new one because it's overheating. I need a better one that's actually going to stay on, so I can have good lighting. And then, so this is my desk, and then this is my window. So the window is like, so I'm thinking I should move my desk this kind of like this way, so then I have more light coming in. So I'll try that out when I start cleaning. But yeah, it's like a busy street, but then I have like 3 windows right here, so yeah, we'll try that. And then my dog's cage, because she is in here. She's right there. That's my closet. But yeah, I need to do some laundry. Then that's my bathroom right there. So yeah, this is my room, guys. I still need to get some cover. So it's like some sheets on my bed for right now and some pillows. And then I need to get that cup up. I have some water in there. I have to see what I'm doing right there. But this is my dog. This is my dog. She have her bed right on the side of my bed. So she's like right there. So anybody who wants to see my bed, this is my bed. I'm just gonna throw it in this video. And my dog's toy right there. But this is where I put her food on. And then I gotta give her some more water. And then I put her food right there. So she's in my room too. So I just put her stuff on this side. And probably have to move it around. But then, so as you guys can see, this, my desk, and then windows, then the cage, and then this is my other dresser, my picture. This is this is me and my brother. Then I was gonna put this on my wall because that's how I had it in my old room. But yeah, this is my new room. So I'm gonna leave right here. So this says believe, this says dream, this says love, this says hope, and then I have this like thing. My mom says she don't like it, but I just kept it because I liked it. I'll see what I'm gonna do. And then this is my high school diploma. So yeah, so when I graduated, I got that. And then, you know, I got all my clothes in this drawer. So yeah, I kind of went through it fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Yeah, just give me a little desk tour because some of you guys had asked me to do one, so here you go. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna do the cleaning because I need to clean, and then I'm gonna do some organizing. I'm just gonna leave those beads on there, those braces on there. From here, I'm gonna fix it. Alright, so now my desk is on this side. You can kind of see the difference. First it was on this side, but it's where the window is. So yeah, I'm surprised the lighting's good. And then it's like the light, now I feel like I'm getting it. So that's actually pretty good. We'll see. I'm gonna try to go live after this video. But yeah, I appreciate you guys giving me this idea, watching this video through. But don't forget to leave a like so I know if you guys enjoyed. I hope you did. And hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. If you have any ideas, leave them down below so I can see them. But yeah, let me know what you want to see next, because I do want to do some long form videos. Then thank you guys for your support. So peace out, have a good blessed rest of your day. Bye.